these positions are given to people who are alive, to saints who are alive. And when one saint who has such a position passes away, it is then this position is given to someone else. But because Hazrat Abdul Bari Shah was Qutbul Alam and Qutbul Rashad, obviously that helped him to improve the practices completely, restructure the practices, and the practices that we have today are basically a result of his position, his spiritual status that enabled him to get the permission from the founders of all the orders and get the blessings to achieve this. And therefore, the students in this lineage who are following the practices of Hazrat Abdul Bari Shah will always benefit, and that will help them in their spiritual progress. You have hundreds or thousands of lineages of each and every order. So when we talk about Naqshbandi order, or we even naqshbandi-mujaddidi order, there are so many lineages, thousands of lineages, but it's not to boast about our lineage, but the kind of a structure that we have in our lineage, the practices that we have are not available anywhere else. And it is because of Hazrat Abdul Bari Shah. So we have to be really grateful that we are a part of his order, and it has his contribution has made it easier for us to make spiritual progress by following this whole structured program, and much simpler way of much simpler in terms of the practices, the program, because in earlier times people used to spend hours, they would probably spend three times more time, three times, than in terms of number of hours to achieve the same progress, which now the students of this order are able to achieve by spending very little time. So we have to be really grateful. And one of the reasons why in one of our practices, which is Khatam Sharif, actually both the practices, the meditation and Khatam Sharif, we offer the reward to the founders of the order and Hazrat Abdul Bari Shah. And the reason is that we just show our gratitude to them for making it easier for us to follow the practices designed by them and to make spiritual progress.